everyone, it's Julia. I wanted to share with you just some clips from this past weekend. I opened up my little summer shop, and I've been at this little shop for, this is my 19th year. I just wanted to just give you a little tour. And then also at my little desk there, I always do a project every weekend, and I'm going to show you that little project that I did over the last 3 days. This is underneath my canopy and just how I have it set up and my grids and all my tables. My canopy measures about 10 feet by 20 feet, and so I have a lot of room to display. This is my daughter-in-law's skincare. I just wanted to take a shot of that and a shout out to her. She does such an awesome job. That little pillow there is made from a thrifted towel that I washed and then just sewed up and stuffed. Now this is the inside of my building. Just a little bit of history. This used to be a little cabin that was on a resort up here in Minnesota. It measures about 12 feet by 14 feet. So the inside is just the perfect size. It's relatively small, but it used to have a Murphy's bed in it when people used that as a resort. And so they would come down on the weekends and fish and whatever, and then just have a bed to crash in. I think they had a little tiny bathroom in them and no shower, and probably just like a hot plate or something to cook on in a little refrigerator. Just so quaint and so cute. Maybe if you've noticed the windows are very vintage and very old. And two, I wanted to share with you this scale. I'm going to zoom in here on it in a little bit. I purchased this scale out here at the flea market one summer, and I love it just to display in. So I like to take stuff that I, just and repurpose it and to do something else with it. Here's all my jewelry. I just kind of keep it on a rack. On a table. Have some of my pouches up front there, and then my bracelets. We're at the front of my canopy now, and so we are underneath my canopy again. Just going to give you a few more shots here. Another wonderful thing they have is outside music, and so I can sit and just listen to music playing. I always have an Americana theme. Lots of people come up to this area for their vacation in July, so I have a lot of just people who are looking for 4th of July things and patriotic Americana items. Lots of sweatshirts and t-shirts, real casual things. And here's just a glimpse of what it looks like out and about. This is just right outside my canopy. Lots of activity. And here's my project that I worked on. I did these layered watercolor flowers. These are just made out of an old book pages. I roughly draw 6 little circles on this page, all different sizes. And a lot of marks. Like I just use my pen and I just circle several times, and I'm just dropping in paint. Now I'm doing this one-handed and holding my phone with the other, so this is a little wonky, but you get the idea. Super simple, and it's such an easy thing to do up here at my counter. People are interested in just seeing what I'm making or doing, and it's always starts a conversation. So I like to do something, and a lot of times I'll have my sewing machine out here on this little table. I sell these flowers for scrapbooking pages, maybe card making, journals, tag making. They're cute on a package. So this one's done, and I'll set it aside to dry, and then I cut them out and just put the smaller size on the top, the larger on the bottom, and stack them. Poke a hole with a little punch, and then I'll stick my little grommet in there. And then it's I just scrunch them all up and then open them all up again. The bottom layer I don't scrunch, I leave that flat. And I just open them up, and they just have these cute little flowers. So simple. I have a little basket full of them. I hope you enjoyed this, everybody. I know this is quick. I'll be making another video again later this week with a project. I have an idea for another project this week, but I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you had a great holiday weekend. Bye for now.